Hello everyone. It's been a long time since I have done a live video and update. I'm sitting in my car. I have been in town all day doing errands and stopping all day in between all of the things that I've been doing, talking to my attorneys. I've spoken with all of them. And evidently the judge has dismissed our case in its entirety, and due to a lack of filing in a timely manner. Our attorneys have already filed for an appeal because evidently this judge has, they feel that there's reason to warrant the appeal and to request to have this judge removed from our case. He is technically retired, but just held on to this one case. And so they really feel that it's better that we move forward, and we are heading into the appeal process. They're getting ready to file their briefs. They've already filed for the appeal. They're going to get ready to file. I'm going to look at my notes so I know what I'm saying here. We've been talking so much today about everything that's going on. And like I said, I'm still sitting in my car, and I've just talked to my kids. Everybody's kind of been thrown for a loop because we had just filed our third amended complaint. And everything was going good. We were just waiting for a scheduling hearing in December. And then all of a sudden, because of the defendants going back and forth and the holiday, they didn't get some paper filed in the appropriate time period. And the judge wanted to stick a fork in it. And those are his words. Wanted to stick a fork in it once and for all. And so he dismissed it. So we are moving forward with an appeal. And we have already filed the appeal. And we will continue to move forward for justice for Lavoy. It is not over with. And we are not done. We will continue to fight for justice and accountability for all people to have their right to due process. It's so important for us to continue to fight. It isn't just one group of people that deserves justice in this country that we've watched for the last 4 years, right? Everyone deserves justice. So what I understand is in the next 4 to 5 months, our brief will be due. The defendants will have an opportunity to respond to our brief, and then we will have to reply to that brief, to their brief, you know, and then it will go to the appeals court, and then we will have an oral argument hearing. And then they will decide. That will be where they will decide whether this is over and done with. And so we are not finished by any means. And there's so many emotions going on right now. The fight has been long, and we have worked so hard. And when I say we, I mean all of you and our family and our friends and the people who have stood with us from the beginning. We so love you and appreciate everything that you have done to keep this going. But we're not done yet. And we're not through yet, because there's much more to do. And we have to hold these people accountable. And my attorney feels, all the attorneys, because I was talking to 4 or 5 of them today, everyone feels that there is more to this than meets the eye, and that we have lots to do. There's more to do. And so I want to thank you for your kindness, for your love, for your support. The country isn't the same even from 2016, is it? And so many of us have gone through so much and are still going through a lot. And it's not just about Lavoy. And we know that, and we understand that. I was so grateful to have the opportunity to go back east and spend such a happy day with Susan and Jerry. It was so wonderful to see them reunited. And to be there to support them and to hug them and to welcome him home. That was such a pleasure, such a heartwarming thing. I truly was grateful to be there. And they're so happy. They're so happy. And why wouldn't they be? But anyways, our family is not done. We are still going forward. We have appealed. It is already filed. So if anybody says anything different, that it's over with, it's not. It's not over with until we get through this next process. And again, I want to thank you all for helping us, for being there. Whether you built a fence, rustled some cows with us, roundup and branding, whether you helped frame my addition for my mom, whether you donated $5 or $10 or more than that, whether you've bought the 10th book of Lavoy's or a t-shirt that are still sitting in my closet, I just want to say thank you. Thank you. And to Mark, who did the documentary, thank you, Mark. Thank you for always being there for our family when so many people could not and would not support us. Thank you to all of you who stood by us. We love you. And we'll still need your help if you still want to lend it. Thank you. God bless to all of you, and I hope that each one of you have a wonderful, wonderful Christmas and time with your family. Enjoy and savor it, and we love you. God bless.